Hey everybody, Jim King in Lawrence, Kansas, King Piers. We've done a lot of houses here in Lawrence this last couple of years, and this one here's a typical house. We've got the side foundation wall is leaning inward, and we're going to do our King Piers 4-step methodology of gently straightening the wall back to perfectly vertically level. The outside of the wall, we can push the wall against air but not earth, so we're going to take all this decorative rock, sit it in a pile, reuse it. And about where this edging is here, we're going to dig a trench all the way down to the footing. And that'll present the air that we'll push against. Then on the inside, we'll do our interior setup. If I remember correctly, the inside is finished, so we'll have to do some drywall removal for this lady. The window wells will be taken out. We'll expose the entire outer part of the wall, seal all the cracks using epoxy, polyurethane, and then commercial tar from the footing all the way up to just about the top of the wall. It's going to get 3 King Piers from corner, in each corner and one in the middle. That'll be step 2. Step 1 is straightening the wall, exterior excavation, sealing the wall. Step 2 is the piers. Step 3, my son will come in and do his epoxy injection. The outside of the wall, the cracks will already be sealed, so he'll do his deal inside, drilling his hole, setting his ports, and doing his injections. 3-step process. After that, we'll come in. We've done all this work to make this wall vertically level and to waterproof it. We'll come in with our WA411 H-beams, or 4-inch H-beams. An H-beam is 4-inch by 4-inch with thick webbing. An I-beam is 2 inches by 4 inches with thin webbing. That's why we use the H-beam. We like bigger is always better. So for all your foundation coating needs, get a hold of us. Call my son at 816-288-4373. You can always go to our Facebook page, check out our current past videos, make a comment, share, whatever you'd like to do. We appreciate that. And last but not least, our YouTube channel is very important to us. We're almost at that big 1,000 subscribers mark, and that's going to change things for us because we can go YouTube live on these videos. So we'd really appreciate it if you like our videos. They're a little hokey pokey and simple, but we'd appreciate a thumbs up, a subscribe, and that would be awesome. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.